how to manually move iPhone storage to the iCloud storage. Let me explain how it works. Let's get started. If you are new on Foxtecc, consider subscribing for tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so at first I would check out the storage situation for my iCloud by going to the settings, tapping the profile and at the top, and I would go to the iCloud, and in there you can see your storage situation, because by default and for free we get 5 gigabytes. So if you need more, you need to get more storage to back up your files. And okay, once you are in here and let's say that you have enough storage, I'm going to assume that you are aware of the iCloud backup, which you can enable to make sure every single thing from the iPhone gets backed up to the iCloud drive, right? That is more of the automatic option. So if you really want to be manual, I would recommend you to use the Files app, because inside of the Files app, you can tap on the Browse, go to the left section where you can find all of the locations. And you can see, in my case, I have the Google Drive, I have the local storage, which is on my iPhone, but I also have the iCloud Drive. And if I want to manually move stuff like the storage and the files or whatever I have on my iPhone to the iCloud, I would just move it to this iCloud Drive folder. For example, let me give you an example, right? I'm going to go to the Photos app, select a bunch of pictures and videos like this, right? I'm going to tap on Share and then decide to save it to files. But from the options and folders, I don't pick the local storage or anything like that. I'm just going to keep on going back until I get to the locations. I will select the iCloud Drive, and I will just decide the folder where I want to put it. I would click Save, right? So that is how I would manually move stuff from my iPhone storage to the iCloud storage. So that is something which you might be interested in. And this applies to literally any other file type, right? Even if you have the PDF files, for example, within the local storage into the files, you can literally just drag and drop it to the iCloud, right? If you wanted to. So that is another possibility. So let me know in the comments below if you found what you needed. I would really appreciate your feedback below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for these kind of tutorials and videos similar to this in the future, and I'll see you later.